Want to create eye-catching animated button that drive user engagement on your WordPress site? In this video, we are exploring the Pro Buttons block from Nextblocks. Perfect for adding customizable call to action button and download buttons with advanced hover effects and animation. Whether you are aiming to boost conversion or enhance user experience, I'll guide you through setting it up, so let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. Also make sure both the Nextblocks Free and Pro plugin are installed and activated on your site. Step 1. Install both the Nextblocks Free and Pro plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add New. Then in the search bar, search for Nextblocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Now to install the Nextblocks Pro plugin, go to Nextblocks, click on Dashboard. Then from here, go to Upgrade Now. Here we'll see the benefits of upgrading to the Pro plan. Again, click on the Upgrade Now button. Here, choose the plan that fits your need. Once you buy the plugin, you will receive a zip folder with an activation code. Then come back to the site, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugins, go to Upload Plugins, and here, select the zip file. Click on Install Now, then click on Activate Plugin. Now to activate the license, go to Nextblocks, click on Activate Pro, and here you add the license key and click on Activate button. That's it. You have successfully activated the Nextblocks Pro plugin. Step 2. Activate the Pro Buttons block. To do that, go to Nextblocks, then Blocks, and search for Pro Buttons. This is the block. Enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the settings of Pro Buttons block from Nextblocks. From the button type, you have to select the button type. From here, you can create a CTA button, that is call to action button, or you can add a download button. Let's see the CTA button first. In the Style tab, you will find multiple predefined styles that will add unique style to your button. Let's see them one by one. Then in the button text field, you can add the button text. For some button style, you will find some additional fields. Like for this one, from here you can adjust the hover text, tooltip text. For this one, you can add normal emoji, hover emoji, or you can add text as well. For style 10, you can adjust the button width, button height. Let's stick with style 4 for now. Then from the alignment, you can align the button. In the link field, you can add a link to the button. For some button style, you will find this extra options tab. Here you will find different options depending on the selected button style. From here you can adjust the normal animation speed. From here you can adjust the hover animation speed as well. From the accessibility tab, you can add an ARIA label to the button to improve the accessibility of the button. Now let's see the download button option. For this we'll use this demo. In the style, again we'll find multiple predefined styles that will add unique style to your button. From the button text field, you can adjust the button text. Then from the download file name, you can add a name to the file that will be downloaded. Then from the alignment, you can align the button. Again in the link field, you can add a link to the button. Again for some button style, you will find some additional fields like this one. Then in this one, here you can add a success text, a loading text when the button is loading. Again, you will find the accessibility tab to add an ARIA label. In the style tab, you will find all the styling options required to customize this button. Keep in mind, these options will vary depending on the selected button style and button type. From the advanced button, you can adjust the button typography, you can adjust the normal color, complete text color, normal icon color, hover text color, hover icon color, background, border, box shadow for normal and hover states. If you select a different style, you will find different options. For this, we have download text as well. From here, we can adjust the padding, text offset, top offset, right offset. You can adjust the typography, text color, background, border, box shadow for normal and hover states. If you select a CTA button, we'll again have different styles. You can adjust the button typography, text color, background, border radius, box shadow for normal and hover states. You can adjust the outer border width or height. You can adjust padding. So you'll find different styling options depending on the selected style. In the advanced tab, you'll find some additional styling options to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the Pro Buttons block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.